Alright. It's only 6:56 in the morning. It's not even 7 yet. Apparently Amazon's already dropping stuff off. I woke up, I had to move my car so people can leave, and did a dab. Basically knocked myself the fuck back out, but I noticed this heavy ass package outside. So I figured I'd dig through it. Make sure nothing's leaking or nothing. Oh, that's a good fucking pig. So I just got a Bluetooth projector recently, and it's got a good speaker already built into it. The reviews were kind of like mean on it, but I've noticed like if I was to have it farther away, it would be nice to have a Bluetooth. So threw a Bluetooth speaker on my wish list, and here we fucking go. The complete set now. Eat. I can't believe it's already out there. That's nuts. Waiting like 3 weeks on the fucking Timu package, and this took like 4 hours. Yeah, that's dope. It's cute. It's perfect. Yeah, it's totally perfect. Alright. I was bitching about hygiene products because I've been slacking myself lately. Like pig, I demand worship on hygiene products. I need conditioner, bitch. But I'm also a sucker for witch hazel. It's good to put in your baths. It's good for face wash. It's good for just a regular toner, like it's made for. But this is some Dickinson's original witch hazel hydrating toner with rose water. Oh yeah. Yeah, that smells fucking good. I haven't had witch hazel in like 2 or 3 months. It's gonna be much needed on my face with my big ass pores. Oh yeah, motherfucker. This is a digital pH reader. For my aquariums and stuff. I ain't got no fingernails. Oh, you bitch. That's actually impressive. That fucking thing is in there. There we go. Wow. Fuck fingernails, I would have ate them. Sweet. Actually, I'll check this out in a minute. But because it's got little thingies, I don't want to lose anything. But whenever I'm like not tired like a zombie, I'll check this out. But this is fucking dope. I've needed this. This is a pH reader, so I can better test the quality of the water in my aquariums and everything. Especially for saltwater, you need a pH tester, you need a salinity tester, and you need a gravity tester. It's a lot more to it, but it's not as scary as it sounds. Yeah, this is fucking epic for me. And then I just need the actual hydrometer. But I can't believe this was so hard to open, but that's intense. It's fucking super cool. Good job, pig. Fuck yeah. This is legit one of my favorites, one of my staples involving my hair care, and I've been slacking for so long now. But the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner, it's got this silk protein and neem oil in it. It's fucking good stuff. It's also kind of expensive, so always nice to not to buy it myself. Good worship, sir. Pig. The fucking amount of wish list little wink thingies. Damn, there's more of it. It's funny. I love it. I fucking love it. Oh yeah, motherfucker. Guessing I didn't need to add anything because there's already shit on there. More of the conditioner, which is fucking badass. That we use it. Oh shit. This is the shampoo and conditioner. I haven't had the actual set in a while, so that's dope. But yeah, fuck yeah, I got 2 of these. I don't have to be so sparing with it. I got 2 of the conditioners, 1 of the shampoo, and it's a bigger bottle of the shampoo. I fucking love it. Hell yeah, bitch. Fuck yeah. I'll spoil with the fucking hair products again. Dope. Dope. I just got the for body wash. I just got Amazon Basics so I can try it because I've never tried their specific products. But it's peach and orange blossom scent. Oh yeah, that smells good. It would take me a good ass fucking bath later. I technically could right now. I might right now. Damn. He did pretty good with that. He did pretty good with that. I'm gonna go sit in my bath and play with my pH stick. It sounds hilarious. I can do nerd stuff. I've got the power.